Miss So, I'm a mortgage broker. I'm based in Sydney, but I can serve anyone anywhere in Australia. Today, I'm going to talk about, how to get the home loan approved. Top 10 tips, okay? So I'm going to do the part 1, okay? Because there's a lot to cover, okay? And this is not a financial advice, okay? The first one is debt to income ratio, okay? Lately, like financial government and financial authority set the rules saying that you cannot borrow more than 6 times your yearly income. So someone earning 100,000 per annum, they can only borrow maximum 600,000. But because as mortgage broker, we have 44 banks, we can take you to the banks which are more flexible, okay, but then you need minimum 10% deposit, okay. So if you want to borrow more than 6 times your annual income, then you need minimum 10% deposit, okay, because there's a government strict rule lately, okay. The second one is some first home buyer, they think when they get a pre-approval, they got the money now and they can buy whatever and wherever they want. It's not true. But with my client, I not only get them the best loan, I also coach them so they find the best home for their budget. So I tell them, whenever you find a property, tell me, because I coach them step by step. They always tell me. But anyway, when you find a property and you like, and before you make offer, you should tell your mortgage broker, okay? Because some bank don't like some postcode, some bank don't like the one with the strata, depending on your deposit, etc. So check with your broker, and if you do loan with me, check with me before you make serious offer on a property. So I'll let you know you can buy this one or not, okay. And there's first home loan deposit scheme. The client who got that benefit, okay, government let you buy with 5% deposit, but then they strict on where you can buy and what type of property you can buy. So when you find a property, it's best to let mortgage broker know if are you okay to buy that property or not, okay. Excuse me 1 minute. Sorry. Okay. And the third one is, if you have less than 10% deposit, most of the bank want you to have a minimum 5% genuine saving. Genuine saving meaning minimum 5% being there in your account for more than 3 months, okay, or you have a 12-month rental history with the same real estate agent, okay. So if you have less than 10%, you need money more than 5% saved in account for more than 3 months, or you need to be using the same agent, living in the same place for more than 12 months. So you can use that cash straight away to buy the property, okay, because when you buy a property you need saving plus loan, okay. I'm talking about saving part, okay. Number 4, spending habit, okay. And how much supermarket, how much your clothes, how much your jewelry, how much your handbag, how much, so please be careful last 3 months before you do the loan. Your saving habits are pretty neat and just standard. And if you have example private health costs or private school costs or gambling costs, your loan will be reduced by quite a lot. Okay, so control those ones. Okay, because they are in addition to standard living expenses. Okay, so they add up, so the bank lend you less. Okay, also you also need to have minimum 650 in credit score. Okay, so to get that, you should have a stable, stay in one place, live in one place for a long time, work at same job for long time, then you get good credit score. Okay, some people think if you have a credit card, you get good credit score. That's not true. Okay, but if you miss some phone bill, etc., any bill, please tell us before we do the loan for you. We like lawyers. Like, if we know, then we can protect you. We can ask the professional to fix it for you. If we don't know, we will also get caught. Okay, so yeah, that's about all for part 1. Okay, otherwise it will be too much. I hope you have a good night, good day tomorrow. May you be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Thank you very much.